Goldie, hey, baby, come here. Hey man, this is the best vlog ever, man. Welcome to New York City, man, Grand Central, where the city don't sleep. Pick you up, man.
So, as I told you, I saw a man and he was very interested in my videos. So, amen, you are always welcome. Thank you, bye-bye. This is an Apple store. It's a small, but it is the only open store, you can say.
Yes, sir.
And the best part of Apple, you can wear whatever you want. Look at that, man. Wearing a 3/4. A lot of Apple phones. We can't go inside. Do you want to check the prices? There's no prices. Okay. Maybe with this one. I'll ask her how much is 10 hour for? I'll ask him. How much is for 10 hour?
It starts at $749. Let me show you.
749?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we just wanted to see the prices of the two.
Apple store, and the worst part is this: the phones are very expensive. The 10R I'm telling you is for $750. There is no discount going on. I took my iPhone 10R for only $530. So America is a little expensive, don't you think? The Apple over here, because there's no discount. If you exchange also, the exchange start from 7S only. So just enjoy Apple store, open store. So this is an open Apple store. I think this will be a training where they train people on Apple product, how to use it. So this is the place for training, I guess. Even in India we have certain stores. He's teaching how to use it. And there is another store. I mean, it's not huge, but it's big also. I've seen huge Apple stores, huge. They are really huge. That guy has gimbal. So this is for earphones, I guess. And gimbals and everything. So I would say, like, my experience in Apple store in America was pretty okay. Nothing much about it. So guys, I need to go back on shift because I need to start my work by 4 o'clock. Now it's 12:40. I will reach another 1 hour to reach shift. And meanwhile, I want to have something because I'm hungry. This is the terminal. And while talking to that person, I even asked him whether there is an Indian restaurant over here. He said that you need to go one floor down for an Indian food. So I'll also check that one also. Diner food. Okay, I'll take this one. Yes, you can see a lot of it. But again, it should not expensive. Because I have only $20 in my hand. I can smell fresh breads. Coffees, breads everywhere. 110 security, chips, and people all around. People. Announcement. Guys, I promise you one thing. I will come back to New York and explore it. I will stay here at least for a week or so and explore New York. It is a city which you need to explore how these people live. It's so busy. It's a bit like home, Mumbai. This is the only place where I've seen no slice of pizza. I want a slice of pizza.
Big up the cruise and Goldie. Hey, baby, come here. Hey man, this is the best vlog ever, man. Welcome to New York City, man. Grand Central, where the city don't sleep. Pick you up, man.
So, as I told you, I saw a man and he was very interested in my videos. So, amen. You are always welcome. Thank you. Bye-bye. Well guys, you have seen mochi, a cobbler in India, right? To clean the shoes and stitch the shoes and polish the shoes. In US also they have it, but I'll show you how they are. Okay, it's like a leather spa. You'll be very surprised. So this is the place for the shoes, leather spa. Okay, and you can see all the laces and everything. They have different polishes, and for boot shine, shoe shine and full boot is the different prices and all. And this is how they clean your shoes. I mean, it's so comfortable. Amazing. I cannot tell you how amazed I am to see this. So this is called an mochi, a United States mochi. He's cleaning the shoes.
Five servings of burritos.
I feel like
It's amazing. I did not got biryani, but I got pizza, and I'm having a chicken pizza, a slice of the chicken pizza. Not very expensive. It's only for $2.50. So I'm just having it. This is the restaurant. There's a fight going on. Okay, I'll be having it. So So these all are the pizzas over here.
So
And
think
this
about
is my
changing it
chicken
so the
pizza.
campgrounds have to be like NYC
A
spots
slice.
where anybody can like post, like how we were yesterday. You can just
Oh,
post spots.
I cannot have
Like, say you
pizza
want to
without a
like
ketchup.
hardcore
So I'll
or
put
date
some
night
ketchup.
or something, but not so commercial.
So
I think I might just change
I'm
it to
having
that.
this
Just
pizza.
put
It
on my
looks a little
list.
big. So let me have a pizza and then I'll talk to you. Bye bye.